to your research day for your element project. So for this element project, you have been assigned an element. So look in this assignments page back on Schoology to find your assignment there, or just ask your teacher if you don't remember what element you've been assigned. And so we have video instructions, which you're watching right now, resources. So this is a list of resources you can use to get this information. The information you need is, you have the essentials here in these blue boxes: symbol, atomic number, atomic mass or weight, group number, group name, and period number. You also need a description here in the purple boxes. So standard state, solid, liquid, or gas at room temperature, the color of the element, and then list 2 characteristics of your element. So examples: hard, soft, does it react with something? Is it shiny? Is it dull? Does it do something special? So what is 2 things about your element? History here in your green boxes. Who was it discovered by? What year was it discovered? Where does the name come from? Then here in kind of these reddy brown boxes, we have uses. So list 5 uses of your element. If you have a more uncommon element and you can't find 5 uses, let me know and I'll let you know what other uses you can use, or maybe your element really only has 3 uses. But most of them will have a full 5. So is there a product that it's used in? Is it used for a certain kind of research? Is it used in medical purposes? Is it used in construction? What are some uses of your element? And lastly, here in these black boxes, we have pictures. So find 4 pictures that explain your element and write a short description why the picture represents your element. So it could be literally a picture of your element. It could be one of the uses. It could be a picture of the person who discovered it. It could be a picture of its symbol. You just need 4 pictures of your element or something relating to your element, and then tell me why you picked it. So what description would you give this picture? So this is all the information you need for your element. Let's see where we can find it. So first off, the periodic table you created on Tuesday. So you probably already seen I have a finished product or finished one in the Wednesday folder, so February 3rd. So you can take a look at this. It tells you the group name, so all these colors are their group names. The standard state is the red, black, and blue outlines, so that tells you if it's solid, liquid, or gas at room temperature. It also tells you the group number. Group number is across the top. Period number is along the sides. Like if you had, say, ruthenium here, RU, it'd be group number 8, period number 5. I think, it also tells you the symbol. So like ruthenium, the symbol is RU. Iron, the symbol is Fe, so it's like that abbreviation. And I think, it also tells you the atomic number. So like the atomic number of iron is 26. Atomic number for ruthenium is 44. Atomic number for hydrogen is 1. So it also tells you the atomic number. So that's your first resource. The second resource is this web elements, which I have open right here. So this web elements, actually, when you first open it up, it'll look like this. You can find your element. So let's say we are doing, we're doing mercury. So I'm going to click on mercury. And it's going to bring me to this page. It's also going to tell me similar information so I can double check and then extra. So tells me the name, tells me the symbol, tells me the atomic number, tells me the atomic mass. Relative atomic mass is still its atomic mass. Tells me its standard state, tells me its appearance, what color it is, tells me the group number, group name, period number, and some extra stuff. And it also goes into more description down here. So feel free to read through this. Some of it might be kind of, above, but it tells you some great stuff about your element. So that's one resource that you have. Another resource you have is this periodic table of videos, which is actually super cool. So this is the periodic table of videos, and again, say I have mercury, so I'm going to click on mercury, and it's going to bring me to a video that the University of Nottingham, maybe I think, did. And so each element has a video. Some are long, some are short, some have tons of information, some don't have much. But go ahead and check out those videos. You'll probably also see just some cool, maybe experiments with them. So that'll be a great one probably for characteristics, so some descriptions of your element. And then we have periodic table interactive with pictures. That's this one right here. So again, I'm going to click on my element, and it's going to tell me some pictures. And it's going to tell me some things it's used for and some description. So it's a liquid metal. It's toxic. Toxic would be a good characteristic. It's a thermometer, it's in barometers, it's in thermostats, it's in street lamps, it's in fluorescent lamps, used in dentistry, and so these are some things it's used in. And then it also tells you its group as well, so group name, so in this case it's transition metals. And so that is that resource, another super handy one. And then the last one is the P table. This is the one you used to make your periodic table. So again, this is a really good one, figuring out group name. Also, so again, say I have mercury. If I click on mercury over here, it shows up with lots of information. It also shows up right here. It brings you to the Wikipedia page. Something that's going to be super helpful for the history section is, of course, you can read through it. You can get some pictures from it. Tells you appearance. But if I go ahead and scroll down and keep scrolling, I'll get to a little history section, and it'll tell me who discovered it and when. Mercury's case is super old, and so we discovered it thousands of years ago. BC is before Common Era, so this is 1,500 years before zero. So this is about 3,500 years ago. So this also gives you some great pictures. Etymology is basically the history of words. So basically, where does it come from? So when I ask you origin of name, let's see, it was right here. Etymology is something you could look up to see where did the name come from. And so that's all the resources you have, and that should give you all the things you need. Of course, if you can't find something, go ahead and try to Google it. If you don't understand quite what you're looking at, let me know and I can help you out, but definitely use these resources first. Once you are done with this worksheet, go ahead and submit it, and tomorrow you'll be making a poster using this same information. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!